Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a Halloween look, so stay tuned for that. I'm using PAC Fresh Color palette to create this look. Just take the dark green and start applying it all over your face. Now apply some loose powder to set the green. Now start applying white on your cheekbones. Apply the same on your forehead and under your eyes. Now start blending everything. Now take the dark green and apply it on side of your cheeks. Apply the same on your nose also, like a contour. Using the same dark green eyeshadow to make the lines. Now take the black color and draw an oval shape on top of your eyebrows. Make 2 dots below your eyes as guideline. Now take the black color and give shape to your face. Now fill it in with the black color. Carry it forward to your forehead. Use white on both the cheeks below the dark green. Apply the dark green on your temple as well. It will give depth to your look. Now start filling the black color. Use a smaller brush to fill in the lower lash line. Now set it with the black eyeshadow. Apply black color on your ears and neck. Use black on your lips as well as a lipstick. Make sure to set this also with the eyeshadow. Now again use the white to highlight your under eye. Again using dark green eyeshadow to create depth. And we are done with the look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like and share this video. And do try this look. If you did, make sure to send me pictures on Instagram.